Greetings to everyone. My name is Atiafa Maximus. I'm an employee in Rumailah Farm. Rumailah Farm is located in United Arab Emirates, precisely in Fujairah State. The farm deals with the rearing of cows for the production of milk, which is extracted, processed, and distributed in various supermarkets around Fujairah. The milk has been tested to have the best quality in various supermarkets where it's been distributed. Today we are going to see the various stages whereby Rumailah Farm used to obtain its quality product. We shall begin by looking at the nature of Rumailah cowshed, the feeding method, the milking parlor, and the factory where this milk is being processed. We should be aware that Rumailah milk is not tested to have the best quality only because of the proper method used during the milking and the processing period, but rather because the milk is being extracted from a specific species of cows known as the Jersey cows. It is in this platform where you are going to see a very special milking system which is used in Rumailah Farm. But we should also be aware that milk from Rumailah Farm is not just processed for consumption, but is also used as a raw material for other quality products such as Rumailah coffee with a main shop located in Fujairah Cornish. We also have a very delicious ice cream and special cakes which are all Rumailah Farm products and can be gotten in Rumailah coffee shop. But our main concern today relies on no other product apart from Rumailah milk. Some of us may be asking, what is the main goal of Rumailah Farm? But I'm here to answer that question. The main goal of Rumailah Farm is to provide the best quality consumable product to its customers. For those around Fujairah and its neighborhood, I would recommend you to rush to any nearby supermarket, ask for Rumailah milk and test the difference by yourself. As well as for those that are located elsewhere, feel free to contact us through any of the following methods. You have our contact number, our email address, and even our website. Feel free to contact us and your product will be delivered. At this time, let's go straight to the field. This is the nature of Rumailah cowshed and its vicinity. We equally have two of these sheds which are specifically for milking cows, just as you can see the shed 1 and the shed 2. The sheds are equipped with glasses which permit us to monitor the cows right from outside without necessarily entering into the shed. Just as the glasses speak to itself, you can see the cows inside the shed while standing outside. On the other side, we are going to see a specific type of sand which is preferred to be used in Rumailah cowshed. This sand is preferred because it is very soft and conducive for cows, and more to that, it contains pore spaces. Whenever the cows urinate, the urine immediately infiltrates. Now, let's enter into Rumailah cowshed. This is the main door to Rumailah cowshed. This door is electronic door. In order to enter inside, you just simply open and click on this particular button, and the door will automatically open itself. Just as you are seeing, the door is opening automatically. At this point, you are welcome to Rumailah cowshed. This is how Rumailah cowshed look like. The cows are very comfortable resting in their various cubicles. At this point in time, they have eaten to their satisfaction. It should be noted that this shed is disinfected every week to prevent any bacterial infection that can cause diseases to cows. Each of these sheds contains not less than 40 cows and is also having a transparent ceiling in the center, which help to provide the shed with proper illumination. Now, let's look at some of the things that are very necessary in Rumailah cowshed. Let's begin by looking at the CCTV camera. This particular camera is installed inside the shed and it helps to monitor the cows from a distance without necessarily coming into the shed. Let's also look at the source of favorable temperature which is available in the shed. We have the air conditioning system. This is the most important thing in the entire shed. We have about 7 air conditioner boxes installed in a single shed which work unanimously, thereby providing the shed with a very conducive temperature. Now let's look at where the temperature is being regulated. This is exactly where the air conditioning system is being regulated. As you can see, the various temperature ranges from 27 degrees to 28 degrees. Now let's also look at the water system. This is the nature of Rumailah cow shed water system. This water pot is cleaned daily, and whenever the cows drink water from here, it refills back automatically and stops to the level at which it was programmed. This is not the only means by which water is used in Rumailah cow shed. We also have this particular pipe, which is used for the daily flushing of the entire shed. This pipe extends for about 15 meters. In order to use it, you just simply pull out the pipe and it comes out automatically, and you use it to flush wheresoever you wish to, because the pipe already contains water. Now let's move to the next step and look at the method used to extract polluted air from Rumailah cow shed. We have the local exhaust ventilation, which is abbreviated as LEV, and we also have the fan method. These are the two methods used to extract polluted air from Rumailah cow shed. Out of the shed, let's move to the food storage area. This is a comfortable place where the cow food is being stored. Let's take a look at how it is being composed for the cows. Just as we are seeing, he mixed different types of food in the mixer. This food includes billet, soya beans, and crushed corn, which are all sources of proteins needed by the cows. When he is done here, he then drives to other area where dry grass and silage is being stored. Just as we can see his competency, he drives properly to other main mixers, which contain dry grass on the first one and corn silage on the second one. When he arrives in the first mixer, he then packs and set the weighing scale, which determines the quantity of grass that has entered into the mixer. Then he moves on to where the machine is being switched on. As he switched the machine on, the dry grass automatically entered into the mixer. Just as we are seeing, the quantity is determined on the weighing scale. When the exact quantity entered the mixer, he then drives to the shed where the food is being mixed with water and delivered to cows. The more the water is added in the food, the total quantity keep adding on the weighing scale. As we can see, is now at 700. See by yourself how the mixer mixes the food. When the mixing is completed, he then drives to the shed where the food is being given to the cows. On his way, he pressed the remote control button and the door automatically opened itself. At this point, the food is ready to be delivered to the cows. You can see by yourself, the food comes out as he moves forward. But at this point, the process is not yet completed. When he finished removing the food from the mixer, this is how it appears. He then uses a shovel to push it closer to the cows so that they can easily get access to it. And also, the door can close properly. At this point, some of us may be asking that where are the cows? But we are going to enter inside to see what is happening. Just as he finished pushing the food, he then closed the door using a remote control. Now let's go inside and see if the cows are eating. All the cubicles are empty and the cows are busily eating. Now that the cows have been fed, let's go to the milking parlor where they will soon come for milk extraction. Welcome to Rumailah Farm milking parlor. Rumailah Farm is not just any type of farm, but a farm with a difference, just as the product speaks to itself. This is the type of milking system which is used in Rumailah Farm. This milking room contains 2 sites where the cow stands for milking, and each site have 4 extraction machines. That is 4 on the right side and 4 on the left side, giving a total number of 8 cows to be milked at a time. It is now time for milking. As you can see, the cows are entering the milking parlor. The cows are from a single shed. On the other side, a technician is getting ready for the milking to start. You can see by yourself how he gets the machines ready one after another. Now that everything has been set, let's move to the next step. You can see how he flushes the cows one after another. During the milking period, he takes his time and ensures proper cleaning before beginning the milk extraction. He does not only clean with water and begin the milking, but he also uses a drying machine to ensure that the water has been completely dried off. Just to name a few, there are generally 5 proper sanitation methods whereby he ensures during the milk extraction, and he does it one after another. We are going to end here for today, and in my next video I am going to show you the various stages whereby Rumailah milk is being processed and made ready for consumption. Please comment and share so that others will know more about Rumailah Farm. Thanks for watching. Bye.